Chuck, and today I've got a new tool in the shop. It's a sponsored tool from VEVOR. They contacted me and said take a look at our tool catalog, or our catalog in general. There's quite a bit more things than tools, and select something that you'd like to do a video on and use in your shop. So I elected to get this 2-burner propane forge. I've never done any forging, so I'm no expert by any means on this. I'm going to go ahead and put it together and give you my honest review of the tool, and do a little research if I can also. So let's real quick, we're just going to click to some unboxing shorts that I took on my camera that just want to show you the quality of the shipment that I got. And then we'll come right back and do a little close-up review and what's here. This is going to be a part 1, just basically a quick unboxing and what comes with the tool, and then hope to get it set up and get it fired up and run it. Okay, so we're going to go handheld here. So first off, this is the extent of the instructions that come with it. So there's really no assembly instructions. It's basically about how to light the forge. It comes with the fire brick, pair of gloves, the hose for hooking up the burner units. It's a furnace bracket. I really don't understand what that's for, to be honest with you. There's nothing that shows you where it goes. It comes with a nice gas regulator, your gas valves that go between the 2 burner units, a set of tongs, a little handle for the doorway. The front of the unit has a door, and it's got the insulation inside. So we'll get it set up. The burners basically just sit down inside the unit like that. They're cast iron, and they have a stainless bottom. So we'll see how this all goes together and how it works. So please come on back for part 2 when we get this unit operational, and we'll do a little bit of forging.